How do I remove the GE Profile Advantium 244-in-1 oven door so I get bette access to clean the oven? Look to replace the door once done cleaning the inside of the oven?
Good morning, my name is XXXXX I'm going to help you today. Can you give me the complete model number for your unit?
Yes, one moment while I go take a look. PSB 2200 NBB01.
Okay, thank you. Give me just a second here while I verify the procedure. You will need a tool to remove door. Sometimes GE supplied these with the original hardware. Do you have this tool?
No, can I buy it somewhere? Are you looking up the part number so I can order it, by chance?
Yes, WB01 by 10304 is the kit you have to buy. Luckily it is not that expensive. You can order it from automaticappliance.com for approximately $21. I hope this helps you out. There should be instructions included with the part, but if you need help, please feel free to contact me and I will be more than happy to help. If this helps you, could you please help by rating the quality of my answer for you? I am going to turn this into a Q&A question, that way if you need any more help it will be easy to contact me. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.